Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Monster Hunter Now. So let's get started. Open the Monster Hunter Now application from your app drawer. In the first interface, tap on Returning Player. Since we are logging in, select one of the accounts from the display. To log in with Apple ID, tap on the Apple option. To log in with your Google account, tap on the Google option and tap on Continue in the pop-up. Now, it'll take you to the login page for your chosen login option. Enter your email ID or your phone number if you've selected Google. Similarly, if you've selected Apple option, you will need to type in your Apple ID and its password. Simply go ahead and enter your credential and tap on Next. On the next page, type in your password and tap Next once again. Once you're logged into one of your accounts, you will then be able to log in to Monster Hunter Now. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.